Welcome to day one of 30 red bags in 30 days. Yay! We are starting this journey with something massive. Yes, that's right. Today I'm making a whale handbag. Can I really take one of the ocean's biggest creatures and shrink it into a fashion statement? It is either going to be a whale of a success or a whale of a disaster. Strap in. Day one, and I'll be honest, I was nervous. The black and white Ankara didn't really capture the whale energy I had in mind, and first day jitters definitely played a part. I'm not judging myself too harshly today, and I hope you won't either. So tell me, would you carry a whale handbag? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I really want to know. Don't swim too far away because tomorrow we are slowing things way down and you don't want to miss it. So subscribe, like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.